Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The Best Return drone is probably one of the most exciting advancements in drone technology, offering a level of convenience and safety previously unimaginable. This innovative feature eliminates the anxiety of losing your drone, allowing you to focus on capturing stunning footage and enjoying the flight experience without the constant worry of mishaps or accidental crashes, making it perfect for both beginners and experienced pilots alike. We will explore the top models available, comparing their features, performance, and overall value to help you choose the best return-to-home drone for your needs. Number 5. Holy Stone HS210 Mini Drone. It's so easy to fly. Just toss it to launch, and it can do amazing tricks like flips and circles. Even beginners will have a blast. With 3 speed settings, it's perfect for all skill levels. Kids can start slow and gradually increase the speed as they improve. It comes with 3 batteries, giving you up to 21 minutes of flight time. Plus, a low battery alarm keeps you from losing it. The propellers are protected, keeping little fingers safe. And the emergency stop button ensures a safe landing every time. It's small and lightweight, so you can take it anywhere. Perfect for parties, trips, or just playing at home. This drone makes a fantastic gift for kids and beginners. It's fun, easy to use, and safe. What we like. It's designed for ease of use, making it perfect for kids and beginners. The multiple speed settings allow for gradual skill development. With 3 batteries, you'll enjoy extended playtime, making it ideal for younger users who want to fly for longer periods. If you are looking for a fun and safe drone for kids, this is the one for you. What people say. It is very stable, it hovers and stays in the same position when not flying in a direction, which makes it easy to fly, particularly for young kids. It is also very resilient, the protectors around the propellers make it pretty resistant to bumps and crashes. It also comes with 3 rechargeable batteries and 4 spare propellers. Flying in the house was sketchy at first, but now I fly 3 batteries back to back without issue. This package flies like a stabilized camera drone versus the FPV freak Whoop pictured next to it, which is practically uncontrollable for a beginner pilot. The controls are fairly precise, but they take some practice. Fun to fly in the house. The headless flight mode is a good feature for beginners. Number 4. Holy Stone HS720 GPS Drone. It captures stunning 4K UHD images and videos. The image stabilization ensures smooth, shake-free footage, no matter how you fly it. Never worry about losing it. It has GPS for automatic return to home, and intelligent flight modes like Follow Me and Waypoint. Enjoy up to 52 minutes of flight time with 2 batteries. The long-lasting brushless motors contribute to longer flight times and quieter operation. It's designed for simplicity. 1-key takeoff and landing, altitude hold, and other features make it easy for beginners to fly. Its foldable design and included carrying case make it easy to transport and take it anywhere. It's perfect for travel and outdoor adventures. The controller has a long range, displays battery and GPS status, and even has a left-handed mode. Don't forget to remove the protective film. What we like. This drone boasts a high-quality 4K camera for stunning aerial shots. Its GPS capabilities ensure safe and reliable flights, including automatic return home. With an impressive 52-minute flight time, you can capture extended footage without worrying about battery life. If you're an enthusiast who wants a drone with advanced features and long flight times, this is the perfect choice. What people say. Low wind, medium wind, 8 to 10 miles per hour gusts, and it holds position pretty rock steady. I am definitely impressed. Launching is simple. After following the above steps, hit the unlock button and either left stick up or use one button take off and you're flying. In the Ophelia app you can employ the orbit point of interest function, fly a preset path, or follow me. All work well for a drone at this price point. One button RTH puts the drone either right on my drone pad or with a foot or 2 of the edge. Number 3. Holy Stone HS720E Drone. It's fully compliant with FAA requirements. You can easily get the remote ID module to ensure you're always in compliance. Contact our support team if you have any questions. Capture breathtaking 4K video with its advanced Sony sensor and electric image stabilization. Enjoy crystal clear footage, free from any blur. It features a stable flight system with GPS and an automatic return-to-home function. Explore with confidence knowing it will always find its way back. With 2 intelligent batteries, you get an impressive 46 minutes of flight time. Enjoy longer adventures and less time recharging. It has user-friendly controls and innovative flight modes like Follow Me, Tap Fly, and Point of Interest. Focus on capturing amazing shots and videos. The brushless motors provide powerful, stable, and incredibly quiet flights. Enjoy the thrill of flight without distracting noise. What we like. Capture breathtaking 4K footage with its advanced camera. It meets FAA requirements, providing peace of mind. Enjoy an extended flight time of 46 minutes with 2 batteries. If you need a reliable and compliant drone for professional or personal use with excellent video quality, this is the one to choose. What people say. The Holy Stone HS720 foldable GPS drone with 4K UHD camera was so easy to set up when I opened the box and even easier to fly. The easiest was to ability to find online training videos. In less than 30 minutes I can say I was almost a pro. The return home button was a lifesaver. The moment I saw I was losing control and orientation I hit the home button and the drone came right just like when I call my dog. Being a photographer hobbyist for over 10 years with over 100,000 pictures taken, I hate myself for not buying a drone 10 years ago. Wow was the first thing that came to mind when I started editing the videos. The image quality, stability, zoom and 90-degree downward angle was the best. Number 2. Holy Stone HS175D drone. Get ready to experience the thrill of flight with our latest drone. It's packed with features to make your aerial adventures unforgettable. Capture breathtaking moments in crisp 4K resolution. Its wide-angle lens and adjustable angle ensure you get the perfect shot every time. Never worry about losing it again. It automatically returns home if it loses signal, runs low on power, or goes out of range. Enjoy up to 46 minutes of flight time on a single charge, thanks to its powerful batteries. That's plenty of time to explore. With features like altitude hold, headless mode, and one-key takeoff and landing, it's perfect for beginners and experts alike. It's incredibly intuitive to use. Follow you automatically, fly along a preset path, circle a point, or even take photos and videos on command. The possibilities are endless. Its foldable design and lightweight build make it easy to transport and store. Plus, it comes with a convenient carrying case. What we like. It features a high-resolution 4K camera for capturing stunning visuals. The GPS-assisted features ensure safe and convenient flights, including automatic return to home. With a flight time of 46 minutes, you can enjoy extended aerial adventures. If you are looking for a drone with great camera quality, reliable GPS features, and long flight time, this is a great option. What people say. After reading reviews of a number of under $200 drones, we chose the HS175D, and are very satisfied with our decision. Amazon delivered in less than a day, and the drone was flying, well controlled by a novice operator, within an hour. After a bit of practice, the drone took high-definition photos of the roof in question, and the photos were of exceptional quality and fully met our needs. The ease of flying, the picture quality and the stability of the drone are really impressive. This one was easy to set up, the app worked well, and first flight was extremely successful. Has a great feature where you can only fly it so far away, good for my novice skill set. Camera display on iPhone 15 was amazingly clear and I was very surprised and pleased that it flew so well in the wind. Number 1. Holy Stone HS440 drone. Capture stunning aerial footage with its 1080p HD camera. Adjust the 90 degrees angle using the remote or app to get the perfect shot every time. Enjoy up to 20 minutes of flight time with the powerful modular battery. Explore more of your surroundings on a single charge. Its compact and foldable design makes it easy to take with you anywhere. The included carrying case makes transportation a breeze. With features like auto takeoff, precise hovering, and headless mode, it's simple to fly, even for beginners. One-key high-speed rotation adds extra fun. Fly with confidence thanks to safety features like emergency stop and altitude hold. It's perfect for both kids and adults. It's designed for beginners and kids, with intuitive controls and intelligent features to make flying easy and fun. It's the perfect way to start your drone journey. What we like. This drone offers a 1080p camera for crisp video and images. Its foldable design makes it portable and convenient for travel. Enjoy an extended flight time, allowing for more exploration. If you need a portable drone with good camera quality and extended flight time, this is a great option for you. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.